Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by turning on online play and choosing a short multiplayer password. This keeps interactions consistent. Once done, equip furl-calling finger remedies and keep a fractured finger handy so you can both leave and receive marks. Next, head to Limgrave's Church of LA and speak to nearby NPCs until a new lead or marker appears. This reveals the first area where fingerprint set-related items spawn. Move quickly, because some spawns are tied to progress and disappear after key events. Once you arrive at the indicated region, often Liurnia or nearby ruins, track quest flags and clear surrounding camps methodically. You must defeat targeted minibosses and check every chest and corpse because set drops are distributed across those containers. If items don't appear, use co-op. Summon or be summoned to change world state, then revisit spawn points. Merchants sometimes stock missing pieces after key NPC triggers. Keep inventory space free and save at sites of grace. Before risky fight. To finish, return to a site of grace and examine your inventory. Some fingerprint pieces auto-combine into the complete set, while others require manual equipping. Once assembled, test the effect on an NPC or summoning mechanic it modifies. If pieces are missing, rest at a grace to respawn chests and clear the zone again, or change to co-op to alter spawns. If things go wrong, first confirm online play is active, your quest flags match the guide step, then reload the area to force respawns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.